CAD data can be large and complex. However, experiencing design in a real-time environment shouldn't be. Unreal Studio Datasmith tackles common problems in the CAD data pipeline. These include the need to conform assets to match a real-time engine's capabilities, the desire to retain scene hierarchy and metadata for working with assets in Engine, and the optimization of the scene to match target platforms and the overall intended use, perhaps for augmented and virtual reality as an example. At the core of Unreal Studio is the principle of fidelity to source. Preserving the accuracy and detail of CAD data is paramount. CAD data and designs must retain visual and structural fidelity, just as they were designed in the CAD package where they originated.
With Datasmith, architects, engineers, and designers are able to rapidly bring their models into Unreal Engine and experience an unlimited array of creative development. From real-time, interactive visualizations to standalone applications, immersive realities, compelling video presentations, and stunning high-resolution imagery, the possibilities are limitless. Once this data is loaded into Unreal Engine, the data created by the importer is ultimately the same, and all assets become standard Unreal Engine assets. Datasmith automatically takes care of adjusting the scale of your scene so that your geometry appears at exactly the same real-world size in Unreal Engine, and at the right locations in 3D space. No need to change anything about the way you work in your source application. Data review experience across desktop, virtual reality, and mobile platforms. Datasmith is the easiest way to get entire pre-assembled scenes into your Unreal project from a wide variety of third-party design applications such as Revit, SketchUp Pro, SolidWorks, and 3ds Max, to name a few. Regardless of the industry, Datasmith equips Unreal Engine to handle the most complex data situations to enable designers, developers, and artists to create endless, interactive, and compelling experiences.
Preserving scene and object hierarchy as well as naming conventions ensures a smooth creative experience with familiar structure. Unreal Studio Datasmith enables accurate translation of data while organizing models, materials, and textures in the convenient content browser. Unreal Studio Datasmith provides frictionless workflows for engineers and designers.